Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start English classes, especially for 9th class. It is related to grammar. First of all, we should aware with the word grammar. Grammar is a technique by which we can write properly, read properly, and communicate our views to others correctly. In beginning of grammar, we should know about sentences and its kind. When we start to read, we start to learn, we begins with alphabets. These alphabets are collection of letters, and these letters are known as symbol by which we express certain things. These alphabets are helpful to make a word. Word is group of letters and it has some meaning. As far as sentence is concerned, sentence is a group of words which convey some meaning. Thus, it is necessary that sentence should have a verb. So, while writing sentence, something are needed. First thing is word. Second, these words are written. These words are written in proper order. So, written in proper order. So, sentence needs subject and verb. Without verb, sentence cannot be completed. So, it is necessary that verb should be in sentence. It is essential part of a sentence. Thus, in nutshell, we can say that sentence is group of words and these words are written in proper order. It is necessary that there should be a verb in a sentence. Thus, we should know the kind of sentences. Sentences are 4 or 5 types. First, assertive sentence. It has 2 types. First, affirmative. Second, negative. Second, interrogative. Third, imperative. exclamatory, fifth, optative. We should know the definition of assertive sentence. A sentence that asserts something is called assertive sentence. In हिंदी ऐसा कथन जिसके माध्यम से हम कुछ कहते हैं उसे assertive sentence कहते हैं। ये दो प्रकार का होता है, affirmative, we accept the ideas, or we say something to someone that is in positive. Second is negative. We deny the statement. In that statement we deny the thing. Thus, assertive sentence is a sentence that asserts something. Interrogative sentence, this type of sentence asks question to someone. In imperative sentence, we do, command, order, suggest or advise. In exclamatory sentence, we express sudden feeling of someone. Sudden feeling of someone is expressed by exclamatory sentence. In optative sentence, we express our desire, wish to someone. Thus, we should know formation of assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is formed by subject, verb, subject, verb and object. It is necessary that sentence should have full stop at the end of the sentence and verb is used after subject. Thus in Hindi, assertive sentence जिसे हम साधारण वाक्य कहते हैं, इसमें काम करने वाले की जरूरत होती है, इसके बाद काम बताने वाले शब्द की जरूरत होती है और दूसरे शब्दों की जरूरत होती है। पहचान में असर्टिव सेंटेंस के अंत में फुल स्टॉप का प्रयोग होता है एंड फर्स्ट वर्ड, पहला शब्द नाउन या संज्ञा या सर्वनाम होता है। इस तरह से यह अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस स्वीकारात्मक वाक्य कहलाता है। इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, sentence is written in this way. The structure of negative sentence is subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus not plus main verb plus other verb. Thus in Hindi, negative word like not, never, no are used in sentence. Thus in Hindi, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस को सब्जेक्ट कर्ता, सहायक क्रिया, नॉट, मुख्य क्रिया और अन्य शब्द के साथ लिखा जाता है। व्हाइल यूजिंग नेगेटिव वर्ड नेवर एंड नो, हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज ओमिटेड, बट इन रिटन, in writing, not in sentence, it is necessary that it should be followed by helping verb. Thus, we come to know that not is written in sentence with helping verb. In Hindi, नकारात्मक वाक्य को कर्ता, सहायक क्रिया, not, मुख्य क्रिया और अन्य शब्द के साथ लिखा जाता है। नकारात्मक वाक्य बनाने के लिए नॉट, नेवर या नो का प्रयोग होता है। वाक्य में नेवर और नो शब्द बिना सहायक क्रिया के लिखा जाता है, जबकि नॉट शब्द का प्रयोग सहायक क्रिया के साथ होता है। इस तरह असर्टिव सेंटेंस के दो भाग हुए, पहला अफर्मेटिव, दूसरा निगेटिव, और इस तरह ये असर्टिव सेंटेंस का स्ट्रक्चर पूरा होता है। अब आती है बारी इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस की। ए सेंटेंस दैट आस्क्स क्वेश्चन इज कॉल्ड इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस। इट इज रिटन इन टू वेज। फर्स्ट, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस with yes or no type, and interrogative sentence begins with question word. While writing interrogative sentence, we use interrogative word before subject and are helping verb before subject. When sentence is written in this way as helping verb, subject, main verb and other word and fully and sign of interrogation at the end of sentence. This type of sentence is called yes or no type interrogative sentence. And other sentence is written keyword, helping verb, subject, main verb plus other word, and sign of interrogation at end of sentence is known as interrogative sentence. But it asks the question not in yes or no, but you have to give an answer of these questions in complete sentence. Thus, in Hindi, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस प्रश्नवाक्य उस वाक्य को कहते हैं जिसके द्वारा प्रश्न पूछा जाता है। यह दो प्रकार का होता है, एक सहायक क्रिया वाला प्रश्नवाक्य जिसका उत्तर हाँ या नहीं में दिया जाता है, और दूसरा प्रश्न शब्द वाला वाक्य जिसका उत्तर हाँ या नहीं में नहीं दिया जाता। इसके लिए कंप्लीट सेंटेंस की पूर्ण वाक्य की जरूरत पड़ती है।